morning everybody, this is Mustafa Driver School driver training. In today's video I'm going to commentate a few roundabouts from Cheshunt towards Enfield Test Centre. So here we are in a mini roundabout, we're turning right, mirror, signal, position, speed and look to the right hand side to see if you can go to mini roundabout. And now we are in Church Lane. From Church Lane I'm going to turn left to the A10. This is a part of Enfield Test Route and a few roundabout, big motoring roundabout coming up, and also Aldi roundabout, KFC and Lidl going towards Enfield Test Centre. So if you got driving test coming up and how to deal with it. So here we're going left, middle mirror, signal left, position to the left, and we're safe. We can turn left here now. So now we are in a dual carriageway A10 and the speed is here 40, so my speed is 37, 38, so we need to be aware of the speed limit to make sure we're not going over the speed. So now we are approaching a traffic light, set of traffic light, that is a college road, and we're going ahead, straight ahead. So now at the moment the light is green and there's a queue of traffic in front of us, so we're anticipating the light may change. So and then you got to give yourself enough space for the cars in front of you. So usually if you're driving following distance 2-second gap, and if you're stopping behind the car in the traffic, as a tire and tarmac minimum a car length, so you got to see the tires, the car's tires and the floor. Thank you. So it will be more challenging and more roundabouts on the way. So now the speed limit changed to 70 national speed. So now mirrors and accelerate, but the cars in front of me, the van is not going fast enough, so probably there's a big lorry in front of it, and I'm just gonna keep my distance nicely. And thanks for the likes guys, much appreciated. Okay, so now as the car stop braking, so I'm gonna stop braking as well, so I don't want to go too close to the car, to the van actually, so have a nice gap between my car and the van in front of me. Okay, so we are approaching on the A10 Great Cambridge Road roundabout, and this is part of Enfield Test Route. Today is Sunday, but there's a little bit traffic, unusual traffic here. I don't know why, but it could be a roadworks or temporary traffic light. But let's see. Hopefully, there's not going to be much traffic. Okay, so I'm going to turn left at the roundabout and I will follow the steps. So in order to deal with the roundabout, so we're following MSPSL routine. It stands for mirrors, signal, position, speed and look. And then once you get to the roundabout, then we can use LADA, which is a stand for look, assess, decide and act. So I'm just going to let that red car to go, then after that I can continue going. Right, so now we are approaching to the roundabout now, so I'm going to check my middle mirror and left mirror, signal left, position myself to the left hand side, then reduce my speed about 10 to 15 and look to the right for opportunity if it's safe or not. So gentle brake, triple check that van blocked my view so I can't see. Now I can see that I can go. Okay, so now I can see the speed limit changed to 40 now. So make sure your speed is not going over. Usually people fail the driving test in this part of the road. The reason why, because the gravity and people go fast here and they go over the speed and they will fail the test. So you don't want to do that. So now I'm going to change my lane middle mirror, right mirror, signal right, position to the right. The reason I change my lane, so usually I will stay in the left lane if I'm going ahead or turning left. But this roundabout, the reason I change my lane in advance, because I'm going to take the third exit to the right hand side. Okay, so now middle mirror, right mirror, signal right, my position already in the right hand side, and this roundabout known as Aldi roundabout, and this roundabout control with the traffic light. So I am already on the right lane, and I will count my exit now. So exit number 1 towards Cheshunt, exit number 2 towards Quick Fit, exit number 3 towards Waltham Abbey. So now middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, and I can stay in the right lane. Why? Because I'm going right third exit. So I was going to change my lane to the left side, but I saw there was a white car on my left hand side, and that's why I stayed on my right lane. Okay, so now the speed here is 30. The cars keep beeping. It says 20, but the side road is 20. Here it is 30. So it used to be this road 40, now it's changed to 30. So please guys, don't listen to the car, just look for the signs and road markings, the speed limit onto the road. So now in this roundabout, I'm going to turn right second exit, middle mirror, right mirror, signal right, position myself over to the right hand side, and this roundabout control with the traffic light. How do I know? The reason I know the roundabout control with the traffic light, because a solid white line onto the floor, guys. So if you see solid white light in the floor, that means the roundabout control with the traffic lights. Okay, so stay in the right lane. Once you pass the first exit, middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, then come to the left hand side, and be aware of the pedestrian crossing here, guys. Thank you. So now the speed limit early on was 30, now changed to 40. So middle mirror and accelerate 40. Now I'm approaching to a little roundabout coming up, and I'm going to turn left first exit. So I'll check my middle mirror, then my left mirror, then I would signal left once I pass the little entrance, then stay into the left lane. And this light, it is for pedestrian crossing, because it's got a zigzag line there. Once I pass the pedestrian crossing, is a roundabout, so I have to give way to the right to make sure there's nobody coming. That grey Jaguar coming here, where's the white car going, is gone. Now we can go to the left hand side. Okay, so now cancel my signal. Now planning and anticipation, I can see the bus. See where the bus is moving or stopping. No, it's moving now. Thank you. So if we see a bus stop in the bus stop, so we got to change our line a lot earlier to overtake the bus. So now I'm going to turn left at the traffic light. So there are car parked on the left hand side. So check my mirrors, middle mirror, right mirror. If you need to signal, you can signal. Then after that, mirror, middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, and position to the left hand side. Now gentle brake, be aware of the cyclist there. Then give yourself plenty of space. Go, so tire and tarmac behind this car. So this is a Y junction, guys. We are going left here. Then as soon as we pass the traffic light here, we must make sure to check our right shoulder, just in case somebody might come up. So thank you guys, thanks for the like, much appreciated. Okay, so I'm going to turn left here. So I'm already into the traffic light at the moment, and this is a Y junction. As soon as we turn left, we need to check our right shoulder. Okay, so now check our right shoulder. If it's safe, then continue. Beautiful. Okay, so now we can see the speed limit is changing to 40. At the moment it's 30. So once we pass the speed limit 40, then we make sure check our middle mirror before we apply the gas. So check our middle mirror, then apply the gas. Okay, so sometimes At this point of the road, the examiner might ask you when it's safe to do so, could you please show me, for example, how to wash the front windscreen. So check middle mirror and check your speedometer and wash the front windscreen. And push the slope towards you. Obviously every car are different. Okay, so now we are approaching a roundabout. This is an Enfield Test Centre roundabout, and I'm going to turn right and second exit. Apply the MSPC routine. So middle mirror, right mirror, now signal right, slowly position to the right and squeeze the brake. Make your speed about 15, no more than 15. Look to the right hand side. If it's safe, then go closer to the roundabout and give yourself nearly about a meter. Then just go around the roundabout, and once you pass the first exit, middle mirror, left mirror and signal left and leave the roundabout. There you go. Now cancel signal, and now we are going towards the Enfield Test Centre. Okay, so now let's go ahead, then we're gonna come back to the test center. Okay, so this road is now 20 miles per hour. So as soon as you turn turn right from the Morrison Avenue to the test center, the speed changes from 40 to 20. So my speed went 21, that's why the car was beeping me. Okay, so now this roundabout, I'm going to turn left, first exit, middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, position myself to the left hand side and look if it's safe, then continue. Okay, there's a big humps around here, so just a gentle brake in the humps. Those are really big humps. Okay, so now I'm going to turn left at this traffic light, middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, position myself towards the left hand side, and then okay, so we are turning left here, but this is up Morrison Avenue, so when we turn left, this route change from 20 to 40. And sometimes this light is filter line, and sometimes at the bottom of the traffic light when you see 4, then you might have a filter line, so make sure you look at the filter line to turn left here. Okay, so now look at the left mirror, then continue. Good. So now check your mirrors, then proceed, and the speed limit is somewhere here but it's hidden behind the tree. Okay. And this roundabout is Enfield Test Centre, and I'm going to turn left first exit, apply the MSPC routine, middle mirror, left mirror, then when you get closer, signal left, position to the left, gentle brake, position yourself closer to the curb, look to the right hand side, if it's safe, then continue. Beautiful. So now I'm going to turn left at the test center now, so middle mirror, left mirror, signal left, there you go, nice and slow, and then turn here. Okay, so I'm just going to turn around the car, guys. Thank you, and I have a lovely day. All the best. I've got a lesson now. My student is going to come to meet me up here. Then after that, I'll do another live. Thank you, guys, and have a lovely day. All the best.